Hi, I'm Jennifer Matranga, Project Manager for Oscar Renda Contracting. Today, we're on the corner of Anglada and Strawberry, completing the drainage structures. The drainage pipe has been completed. We have moved onto Walker and Elder Streets to begin installing the massive amount of storm drain pipe and structures that was added due to engineering design errors. Our crews will be following right behind with drainage structures on Walker and Elder. Base course of asphalt has been completed on Main Street south of Division, and we are about 75% complete with the driveways and sidewalks. We will be following behind immediately with landscaping. We continue moving west with prepping the streets and installing the final course of asphalt. We have installed the final course of asphalt on Division Street from Oak to Lee, Garrick, Wink, Marie, and Fallow Streets, Fountain, Brown, and Holly Streets. By the end of this month, we will have the final course of asphalt on Esters from Holly to Lee, on Keller, Austin, Suarez, Heidenheim, and part of Lee Street north of Division, and possibly some additional streets west of Lee. We are continuing to install sewer on Forest. The work is deep and a lot of more water than we anticipated, making it quite challenging. We have completed the storm drain work on Cruces and have begun installing the road base. We anticipate installing base course of asphalt by the end of this month as well. We have installed base course of asphalt on Bone Street and Anglada south of Elder. We are installing fences throughout the project along with continued road maintenance and landscaping. We are appreciative of your continued patience and support, and thank you for your cooperation.
Hi, my name is Jack Gravick. I'm the Assistant Project Manager for Hemp Hill Construction on the Biloxi South contract, and I'm here to give you an update on the progress of our work. We currently have 2 crews working on the storm drainage on St. Francis Street, along with a subcontractor working on pouring concrete. We have a sewer crew working on Benaki Avenue that will hopefully be complete with that sewer installation in a couple weeks. We also have 2 other crews, one working on White Avenue on the water line installation, and another working on Father Rod at the corner of Morrison Avenue working on the sewer installation. As you can see here, we have just completed pavement on Father Ron from Keesler Circle to St. Francis Street. We also just completed pavement on Gill Avenue and Irish Hill from Porter to Gill Avenue. The pavement that was put down on Hopkins Boulevard is temporary and will be removed for a couple weeks to finish the construction, and then after that, permanent base asphalt will be put down. And finally, we have a road crew putting the rock base on Azalea Drive to get that ready for base asphalt. They'll be working on multiple other streets throughout the next couple months, getting ready for base asphalt. We would like to thank everybody again for driving safe around our construction zones and keeping our employees' safety in mind at all times. Thank you.